Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting on these wheels onto that Subaru right over there. So what I got here are 2019 WRX limited wheels, and these are 18 by 8.5 wheels, and the bolt pattern on these are 5x114. So obviously we're going to need some wheel spacers / adapters. So the stock 2012 WRX wheels are 17 inch by 8.5 wide, and the bolt pattern is 5x100. So hopefully with a bigger, wider wheel with some spacers on it, it'll fill up that fender a little bit more, kind of poke a little bit more out the side there, and kind of give the car a little more aggressive look. So let's go ahead, pull out the jack stands, and get these wheels swapped out. Alright, I got this all wrapped up. I did it really quick because the sun was going down and I was racing in the darkness. So I got this thing pulled into the garage where there's a little bit of light, and now we can take a look at the wheels. Alright, so here is the new setup with the 2019 WRX wheels. They turned out really super good. I actually really love the way they look on this car. And they definitely fill up the wheel well a lot better. It's kind of weird because the back has a gap, and when you look up to the front, it's pretty close over there. But overall, it fills it up a lot better. I've got 20mm spacers on here, and it is like perfect with the body line. And if you go look at the back, it's like right there. Let's try to focus a little bit better. Right there on the body. So if it's something you're gonna do, this back fender, you must roll the fender. There is no getting around it. It will not work if you don't roll it. And I think that back fender / wheel, that is like almost perfect. I don't think it could look any better than that with this setup. So here's one more look at the stock wheel. And then here's the new wheel. I definitely like the way that these wheels looked, but they were just a little bit too small for the car. Alright guys, there we have it. That is my new wheel setup for my WRX. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video, and let's cut to some rollers.